Okay, we're now checked out of this hotel, and we're going to be going to the subway. Take a train to the train station to take our high-speed train over to Beijing. This is day 2 of our trip, and when we get to the subway station, I'll show how to use the app to pay for a ticket. We're just walking over to the station now. You can see there's a lot of these electric scooters being used here. Kind of interesting. They're very quiet, so they can kind of sneak up behind you. We're just looking for the station entrance. The hotel right there.
I'm recording.
Okay, so I'm gonna buy a ticket from this machine using my Alipay on my phone. So first thing I do is press the English button. And this station is Yuan Garden. So we want to go to the high-speed rail station, which is oh, it's line 10. Yongqiao Railway Station. And it's going to be 5 yuan per person. So
don't forget
up my Alipay QR code.
No, wait.
Yeah.
You're only paying for yourself?
Oh, okay.
No, you didn't need to go that far back.
910.
There you go. Press the station. There we go.
Station.
Yes.
Select your destination.
Yeah, you didn't press it. No. Okay.
Okay.
Line 10.
Yeah.
We want this
Yongqiao
station
Railway
there,
Station.
and we want two tickets.
Okay.
There you go. Sorry, everybody.
Okay. Let me bring up my Alipay here. Okay, scan to pay. Scan this. It works. It did last time. It didn't work this morning when we were at McDonald's.
And it's successful. The tickets will spit out at the bottom.
Pay now. Okay, pay now. Put in there. Oh, that's the thing.
乘客们请注意，现在是高峰时间，乘坐扶梯请紧握扶手，不要看手机，注意
Didn't
脚
do that
下
part
安
when we
全。
were at McDonald's.
And it worked. Because 2 tickets were, as you can see, 2 tickets.
Okay. All right. Great. We're
Uh-huh.
off to the take the metro over to the railway station. All right, waiting now for our train. There's a train every couple of minutes, so it shouldn't take long.
乘客们，列车马上进了镇站。本次列车终点站虹桥火车站，请乘客们有序候车。保西门，开左边门，可换乘方号线，请注意换乘列车的起步班次时间。请把安全带留给有需要的人。
We are now at the Hongqiao railway station, and we're gonna see if we can find where the ticket booth is. I did reserve these tickets online, but I still need to pick them up. We use the website called China DIY Travel. So hopefully it won't be too difficult, but we still need to find the ticket office. This looks like security. Maybe it's on the other side there. I think the sign was pointing to the other side. We're now on the train going to Beijing from Shanghai. A bit of confusion trying to figure out where our car and a seat warmer. But we're here. It's about a 700 to 800 mile journey. It takes about 4.5 hours. So it's like traveling from Portland to just south of San Francisco. I think 4.5 hours. We're now waiting to exit the Beijing South Railway Station. There's a big crowd. So just want to wait until we get there, and then we'll try to find our way to the hotel by using the subway. We're now in the railway station, or the subway station. This is a map of what the whole network looks like. 20 years ago, when I first came here, it was basically only this one circle line, and I think this one red line to cross. And it took 20 years for this only 20 years for this whole thing to be built up. It's amazing considering that, you know, Portland, just a light rail line, just 2 or 3 lines would have been built in that same amount of time. But here they built the whole network. Okay, here we are. We found ourselves at our hotel in Beijing. It's a Days Inn. A little bit cheaper than the other one that we kind of splurged on. I think this is only about like $50 a night compared to the other one, which was 3 times like that. It looks nice inside though, so it looks pretty clean. We'll see how the room looks. Turn this off here. Okay, we're having dinner now. We're gonna go to the Temple of Heaven across the street, but it was getting dark and a lot of it was actually closed, just except for the grounds. You couldn't go into the actual temple. So we saw this KFC and we're having dinner here. It's a combo that I'm having. It's like a duck roll, I think. That's duck. Yeah, it's like duck. I don't know if that's actually duck or they just call it duck. It's like chicken. I think it is duck.
Oh, you think it is duck?
Yeah. And there's some boba tea. And what did you get?
It was a chicken sandwich, but it had shrimp with it as well. Really big and really messy.
Yeah. I remember the last time I was here in Beijing. A lot of the food tastes so decent. We haven't really tried anything taste is so tasty that I was so happy to try KFC to try something that was so good. It's okay. Certainly stuff you don't get at home. Okay, well, after this we'll just head back to the hotel. Then tomorrow we're gonna go to the